That's a drum roll?
It's my drum roll.
Okay.
Hey, I play the guitar, not the drums.
All right. They're here. Our brand new cameras are here. Not just cameras, we got a whole bunch of new gear.
And I'm psyched because we have 2 vlogging cameras, which we're really happy about because we're gonna vlog from 2 perspectives. Actually 3. Who's the third?
I don't know.
So one of the things that was really bothering me was that whoever held the camera, the audio was fine, the video was fine, but somebody who was 10 feet away on a hike, you couldn't hear what they were saying.
And I don't project very well as it is. Alex and Marcus are always telling me to project more, so I have to learn how to do that too.
So what kind of camera did we get? Let's see.
I don't know because he ordered them.
It's a surprise. Well, let's start with this. I'm gonna open this.
Looks kind of like Odin's flea and tick medication.
Heartworm. All right. What's in here? We have Extreme Pro SD cards. 64 gig. Okay.
Plenty of memory.
There's 2.
1 for each camera.
1 for each camera.
So I have a question for you.
What?
So are we opening 1 box or both boxes at the same time?
You're opening that box now.
Why don't we do it at the same time?
Well, this is something else.
Oh, okay.
These are the cameras. We're saving those for last.
Okay,
Don't cut yourself.
I will.
Or the contents.
Actually, it would help if I was on the line. Okay, sometimes I go a little too fast for my own good. Ooh. Ah, camera stand.
Well, it's a little
Shooting grip.
Yeah, it's a mini tripod and shooting grip.
So these are for both cameras.
Yes,
They're identical.
they are.
1 for each camera.
Very convenient that
So
way.
what are the features?
Well, it's Bluetooth connected, so you can record, stop, zoom in, do all of that right from the handle, so you don't have to touch the camera.
That's awesome.
Okay, we're not done though.
I think that's a feature I'll really appreciate.
Oh, I think we both appreciate it. All right.
There's something in here. If I can figure out how to open the darn box. Okay, what do we have here? Batteries, I presume.
Yes. So we'll have 5 total batteries.
Cool, what's
And
this?
that's the charger for the batteries.
Oh, that makes sense.
So we'll have 2 batteries in the camera and then 3 batteries as backup.
Take the chargers out of the bag so we can see them.
Okay,
Well,
I'm more
Maybe we
excited
don't wanna-
about the camera, but
maybe we don't want to show those because it may give away what camera it is.
well, I'm not showing the side, so we're safe.
If someone could tell just from this little thing,
Then they don't
I thought
video.
I thought she was opening a battery, but I'll open a battery here.
I'm sure that people are waiting in anticipation to see the batteries.
yeah,
Oh my God.
everyone's having trouble.
What kind of battery is it?
Rechargeable.
Awesome.
Well, good. It was blurry, so we couldn't read the text.
Well,
Okay.
it doesn't give it away.
Oh, it doesn't.
No. Are we ready?
We're ready.
All right, we'll put this over. And so I will
Score the boxes.
score the boxes.
A much better scorer than me.
Score! Okay.
Oh, Odin liked that.
Pop.
It's like Christmas morning.
It is, especially for vloggers. Okay, I got it.
Oh, wait, I'm catching up. All right. Oh, so neat.
All right, so we got Sony ZV-1s.
Those look awesome.
A lot of vloggers use these. They come with their own little mic thingy.
Well, I know you did your research because you always do.
Right. These are definitely a step up from the camera that we're shooting with now. They have their own stabilization. They automatically blur the background. If you hold up a product or something like this, it will blur the background and show you the product.
It showed your fingers blurry on this one.
Right. Right, like this. Right, so it would show the product. No, it's too close, Alex. It would show the product and blur the background. It also has fast autofocus.
So if there's people or places that you don't want in your background, then you have that option.
People, places, or things.
Yes.
If you have nouns in your background,
Okay, well, mostly people and places would be.
could be things.
True. I need to take a look at these,
Yeah.
understand my new camera.
Oh, check that out.
Sweet.
And it has the flip out screen.
That is awesome. You're gonna have to get used to it not flipping up.
Here's this upside down.
Oh yeah.
And looks like we will need to charge the batteries.
We could do that
Oh,
in,
actually,
in the
batteries
car.
may not be in.
We're twins.
All right, so now we have 2 vlogging cameras, 3 actually, because you will now have one, Alex.
Which one will you have?
I don't know. I can't seem to find where it is. Oh, there it is.
So we'll all have a camera, we'll all have perspectives, we each got grips, we've got spare batteries and high-speed SD cards. We're ready to go.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Can't wait to try them out. All right, so here it is, the first video with our new Sony ZV-1 cameras, and I have this camera set up to the highest setting. It is 4K, it is just the highest resolution, everything. So Jill is going to...
Here I am with my vlogging camera from a different perspective, and Marcus and I are gonna check out the difference. Sorry, Boston accent. We are going to check out the difference of the vlogging cameras and see if his higher resolution is the better way to go. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to see what the options are, and I've been wanting a much higher resolution camera for a while. And we have a guest coming along with us today.
Hi, camera.
This is Mom, and Mom is coming along for the ride to help pick out the camera.
All right, so today we're on our way to Peace Camera in Raleigh, North Carolina. It is a used camera store, and we're going to try to upgrade Jill's older Canon T3i with a newer, better, higher resolution camera.
I am learning a lot, but the good news is that I'm sticking with my camera, my Canon that's been on all these trips with me, and it's going on more, but I'm getting some polarizer filters, and I'm also getting another lens. Totally psyched.
Well, all of us can do classes.
Okay, okay.
The way we have of getting our cable bills more stuff.
Yes,
And what I'll do is I'll give you my info.
that'd be
If
great.
you ever want to take the class, I charge $60.
Okay. Well,
Usually it's an hour.
We're actually going to be
coming
traveling.
back every 2 months.
Oh, are you?
And staying with my mom for a year.
Oh shoot.
So I don't know, how long do the classes last?
Usually a class lasts anywhere between 60 and 90 minutes.
Oh, you could just do one class.
And
Okay.
yeah, and it's primarily, sorry about that.
Sure.
It's primarily understanding exposure, light, composition.
That would be great.
That's exactly
That is
what you
I
need.
Thank you. In fact, maybe before we go, I'll take a class.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thank
Yep,
you, Jim.
you're
We
very
really
welcome.
appreciate it.
Anytime at all, guys. Anytime at all.
Peace Camera, everybody. If you're
Peace
in Raleigh,
Camera.
come out here.
Yes, the place to go.
It was really awesome. They gave us a great deal. She got a really nice lens, a couple of polarized filters. We got a Gorilla stand for Alex and his camera, and we got an incredible price. It was phenomenal. So really psyched.